What's up, everybody? This is Uno. Welcome back to the channel. Some more Mark II content coming your way. Thank you for viewing. Here we go. Say, we finally got power. Although there is no real heat. I got this little unit. Gonna have to get a couple of them. Or one of them big blower joints, you know. And I don't know if you guys remembered in the previous videos, the big mess we had over here. Got that cleaned up as well. All this here is interior work, or interior pieces that we pulled out. And I'm gonna take a lot of it to the dump. Yeah, I ain't got nowhere to put it. No real use for it. A lot of it was broken. A lot of it's been cut. The only thing I am going to keep out of it is the fuse box. Don't know what this is, but I'll keep that. It looks sort of important. Well, I guess I won't need it. It's just a relay, as is this Bueller. But we did get this little spot cleaned up. Like I said, I got to get this ran off to the dump. I will keep that seat though. And yeah, everything else can. That in the fuse box. I'll keep the seat in the fuse box. Seat I'll just put up because it's a good seat. And then we'll go from there. I need to clean up the car here. I need to bring a vacuum over, get all this vacuumed out, get all the gunk off of the dash there, and then I'll put the well, I might not. I'll wait to put the front carpet back in, but this is where we're at. This is what we got. And yeah. I'm sorry, let me show you what I'll be doing today. This big unit has to come out. And then, like I said in previous videos, we're gonna cut the trunk out of it, the spare tire wheel, get that on out of it, and then put a piece of sheet metal in there. And yeah, just get rid of that, and we'll go from there. You can see sometime it was hitting the rear. And I guess they replaced the outer of it. I don't know, but we'll like I said, we'll get to it. Stop rambling and on. Here we are. All right, everybody. Fuel cell, swirl pot, and SBA turbo, 14 bar fuel pump, and Holley lift pump right here. Got all, that's my fuel cell all removed, or my fuel system all removed. You can't really see in there right now, but next thing I'm gonna do is cut this trunk out. As you can see, that's what I did. Cut that whole trunk panel out. This is what we're working with right now. I'm gonna take the grinder, go back through, clean up all the edges, and then I think I have some undercoating. I believe I have some undercoating or something. If not, I'll go get some so I can hit on that real quick, and we'll go from there. The next thing I need to do is take some JB weld. You can see in that runner there, there's actually a hole that goes through to the other side. You can see that there. So I'm gonna take some JB weld, since it's on the front side of it. And I wouldn't matter too much if I was running, not running nitrous, but since I'm gonna be running nitrous, I don't want one more port getting somehow, some way getting more than the other. So take a little bit of JB Weld, put it in there, smooth it out, and that'll be good to go. And then motor wise, I need to put a stud in here, and I also headers put back on there. Shouldn't have a leak no more. Waiting on my ITBs to dry, the JB Weld on my ITBs, and I can. All right, so here I got the rear floor panel that I cut out. I got this here taped off. It's gonna be a whole lot more square than that, but I got it taped off to where I can cut the excess metal off and then hopefully be able to lay that piece down in there. And that'll be our trunk panel. After I rivet and seam seal it in, it'll be good. So stick around, that's what I'm gonna get to, and yeah. All right, so we got it cut out here. I'm gonna trim these edges up a little bit. That way we ain't got no sharp points. Trim these edges up, and then we'll slap it in there. Then I gotta wait on my buddy to get here with his rivet gun and some seam sealer, and then we'll seam seal this bad girl in. But I'm gonna go ahead and grind off the edges. I started off with a 4x4 sheet of metal. Probably cut it down to a good, that's probably a 3x3 right now. Maybe a little bit off, but I took that, laid it on there, marked it out. ITBs are mounted on the motor. Still got to put my 440 injectors in, but headers mounted. Still got to clean up the engine bay a little bit more, but then real soon we'll be able to put that motor back in. But yeah, I got to blow down all the stuff, clean it out a little bit, you know. But I'm excited. We're working there, getting work done. Probably gonna mount my turbo right here, and that way, yeah, yep, and that way I can just have the downpipe come out right here, and then the intake will go back that way. I'm at the country, stay about the way. All my cars imported, and they came from out the way. Got me switching